Lovely fans, Grandpapa and Regina Daniel matter don't reach Senate Parliament. They don't carry their matter go put for Senate Parliament. Una know say this period, Regina Daniel and Grandpapa matter don't go over viral, international and national. Like this matter is not only discussed in Nigeria. Regina Daniel na very popular person. For South Africa, they talk am. For Ghana, they talk am. For Kenya, they talk am. Hey, for Uganda, they talk am. Regina Daniel matter don't go viral. And for inside this matter, now they come talk say, Grandpapa dey with Regina Daniel since she was 16 years old. Not be me talk out the evidence dey social media who carry the matter come give us. So after this person claim say now 16 years Regina Daniel dey wey Grandpapa take dey follow am, which means Regina Daniel was still a minor. Now many people, especially the Nollywood actors and actresses, they don't dey drag say the Senate people should look into this matter. Not be social media people that they drag. Now, they don't carry strong matter on their table. One of their member was sleeping with a minor. What do they have to say? They no fit talk say they'll fall down, they look this matter. Number two, their own person still carry hand, they beat the small girl. He not only sleep with the small girl, he constantly raise hand till they beat this small girl. Now they come talk and say, if Senate not talk for this matter, now be say everywhere go scatter. Nollywood actors and actresses, they don't begin to drag this matter. When the Senate people come sit down, look up, look round, matter don't go viral. Not before only Nigeria, now they call the gossip. The thing don't go international because Regina Daniel, everybody know her. Now, when something happen, that person, they know how popular. If you not see people from South Africa, no, they cannot do it to Regina Daniel. You go over open mouth, say, hey, Regina Daniel, you dey Nigeria, you dey reign for South Africa. You dey Nigeria, you dey reign for Ghana. You dey Nigeria, you dey reign for Uganda. Now, so everybody they drag. Maybe now waiting this Senate, then see, I don't know. But anyway, kudos to them all. Because right now, as I dey talk to Naso, because of Grandpapa and Regina Daniel matter, when they talk minor. Now no say don't say where they talk, say all this minor, they knock them or they scatter them. Some people will just carry person picking way they 5 years. One that they carry 2 years old picking, 2 years old. Now so the picking they cry. After this man don't go chop small picking of 2 years. The thing called they hot, the picking they cry. Before you know the picking faint. Before you know, pikin don't faint. Before they say make the rush and go hospital because they catch the man on top. Before they say okay, make they rush the pikin go hospital. The pikin they shout, they cry. Now so pikin faint. 2 years old. Wetin go make person climb 2 years old pikin. Now they say na Grandpapa matter. Now he make parliament. Come carry this matter come now because they drag them like one more way they for inside Ogbolo soup. I go put the video make una hear from parliament. Now they don't pass the law. They don't pass law. Say anybody when they catch when you sleep with small pikin when never reach 18 years. Anybody when they catch when go sleep with small pikin when never reach 18 years. That person now life imprisonment. And they say now Grandpapa matter. Now he go make the case hot for inside their parliament. Make it not be like say I too they talk. Make una come watch the video.
Defilement of a minor should be different from that of rape. For a minor, this is a kid who is not capable of consenting or otherwise, and whose life can be destroyed almost permanently. Those involved in defilement should suffer greater punishment. I propose that it should be 20 years if you defile an underage. Because I've seen cases of boys and girls under 10 years old, 5 years old, defiled by adults.
You have proposed that for minors, defilement should carry 20 years. Any seconder?
Yes, sir.
Yes. A more severe one. There's a motion. Yes.
Mr. Chairman, I second the motion, ably moved by Senator Adam Oshomole.
That for minors.
For minors. That the penalty should be 20 years instead of 10 years.
20 years.
20 years.
Imprisonment.
I so second.
And no option of fine.
No option of fine.
So is Senator Aledo, you wanted to say something?
I wanted to propose a more stiffer punishment for defilement. Life imprisonment. Because in other climes, actually it's life imprisonment. In fact, a capital punishment. Particularly in India, Pakistan, and what have you, it's capital punishment. But here we can reduce it to life imprisonment.
Yeah, DSP. The motion was on 20 years, but the counter motion is on life imprisonment.
Mr. President, we don't have that in our rules. Once there's a motion, somebody seconds, then it will be put to vote. If he fails, then he can raise his own motion. We don't have this. It's alien to our rules.
Okay, but we bear in mind.
It's alien.
We bear in mind that he has a counter motion.
You can do that. But he knows, it's an experienced legislator. He knows at this point, you cannot change this. It should be put to vote, defeat it, then you bring forward his own motion.
Okay, those in support that defilement of minors should carry 20 years imprisonment in the act, say aye. Those against say nay. Okay, so that is defeated. Yes, you can now move. Your mic.
Thank you, Mr. President, sitting in the chair. My distinguished colleagues, I want to propose that the punishment for defilement is, for minor, is life imprisonment.
So in this case, it doesn't matter whether it is a woman or a man that does the defilement. The most important thing is that if a woman lures a minor to defy, life imprisonment. If a man lures a minor to defy, life imprisonment. Any seconder, Olamileko, because you feel very strongly about this. And you are going to make sure that nothing like that happens to Ogun State.
Thank you, Mr. President, sitting as chair, Adeola Solomon Olamileko. I rise to second the motion assembly moved by Senator Adamu Alero. I so second.
Yes. Distinguished colleagues, the motion has been moved and seconded that any defilement of a minor in Nigeria henceforth should carry life imprisonment. Those in support say aye. And those against say nay. They are not here. But is there any option of fine? No option of fine. So the motion is carried.
People, una don hear with una ear. This now waiting they carry, they go the Senate offices. Then they have been talking about it. They never passed the law. But now they don't pass the law. Wonder shall never end. They don't pass the law because Nollywood actors and actresses, they are not joking at all. They say grandpapa na 16 years Regina Daniel dey when grandpapa dey visit am. According to some Nollywood actors and actresses, even if grandpapa don't come outside, come tell us say he know Regina Daniel 3 weeks now he marry am. Grandpapa don still tell us say he was under pressure. He no get anything where they push and say make him go carry Regina Daniel. He found Regina Daniel and say, okay, since my family they pressure me, this girl is a good girl, good actress, and she's also intelligent. So he decided to marry Regina Daniel just 3 weeks where he say no am. But some Nollywood actors and actresses say na lie. Say the Regina Daniel was minor. Nah, Parliament don't pass law. Hey, they don't pass law because of this grandpapa and Regina Daniel matter when they fly on social media. According to them, anybody, man or woman, when they cash, when he go sleep with pikin, small pikin, go scatter am, when the pikin never reach 18 years, now life imprisonment, oh, no bribing, no fine, nothing. The person they go straight as they just dey catch the person, then they put am for prison all his life. Now there he go stay. And this is for both man and woman. My people, make una dey very careful. Regina Daniel and grandpapa finally don make the Senate pass a special law when the whole Nigeria has been waiting for. Do you know how long Nigeria has been waiting for this news? Regina Daniel and grandpapa trouble don go shake them for the Senate. Finally, Regina Daniel and grandpapa saga for the social media don go saga them for the Senate. They don't pass the law now. So nobody go fit go drag them. They don't already talk. Anybody henceforth, they cash with a minor. My people, wonder shall never end. All those mama wey they think say they won't carry their pikin when their children never reach 18 years give man. Make una think twice o, even una dey problem. The pikin must be matured enough to go the man house before una go give. Whether you carry your pikin give man marry o, whether the man come marry your pikin o, whether the man forcefully enter the pikin o, as long as that child is minor, never reach 18 years, borrow your 2 leg and run. They don't pass the law. Una hear our honorable Senator Akpabio, the way he hit that their ikpanka for the parliament. As he hit am, so now be say law don't go. It don't pass with that. Nobody can cancel it again. It don't enter Nigeria law. My people, wonder shall never end. Like how will this man go to the parliament to stand in front of his colleague? See the way they betray him. Now grandpapa they just betray so because they know say this thing they go use them to drag them. And grandpapa now part of them. So now see as they quickly pass the law now. Law where we don't they wait for since 1929. Now they come pass am when it be say don't hit their own person. Wonder shall never end. Regina Daniel and grandpapa matter be like saying a parliament. Now they for go settle am. Make una leave una comment for the comment section. This na Gossip Big TV. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. To my wonderful subscribers, may God bless you. Inshallah. Amen.